The purpose of this short presentation is to introduce you to the disciplines of pharmacology and toxicology and to our Pharmacology and Toxicology PhD program at Michigan State University. Pharmacology and toxicology are not commonly taught at the undergraduate level, so it's important for us to pause and define these disciplines. Pharmacology can be defined as the science of drug actions on biological systems. Or more broadly, pharmacology considers what drugs do to the body and also what the body does to drugs. Toxicology, on the other hand, is the study of the undesirable effects of chemicals on the body and also on the environment. It's important to note that pharmacology is not the same as pharmacy. A PhD in pharmacology and toxicology will not prepare you to work as a pharmacist. It will, however, prepare you to develop and study treatments for a host of diseases. Currently, pharmacology and toxicology faculty and PhD students are studying and developing drugs that could be useful to treat cancer, dementia, and hypertension, to name but a few. The diversity of research available in pharmacology and toxicology means our students use a wide variety of biological systems to conduct their studies. Some of our students and faculty use large data sets and computational biology to perform their studies. We also conduct studies at the molecular and cellular level to define the mechanisms of drug action. Our department is internationally recognized as a leader in vivo pharmacology, and many of our faculty use animal models to accurately reflect human diseases. These preclinical studies are a vital part of the drug development process. Pharmacology and toxicology can be considered to be a translational science, where the results obtained have the potential to improve human health. While pharmacology and toxicology are independent sciences, they pull information from several other scientific disciplines, including physiology and biochemistry, chemistry, and medicine. The broad nature of the fields of pharmacology and toxicology are reflected in the courses required for our PhD program. All of our students take 4 core courses that cover the basic principles of pharmacology, systems pharmacology and toxicology, and experimental design and data analysis. Our students also take 1 biochemistry course and 1 physiology course, and those are chosen based on each student's research interest. The research interests of the pharmacology and toxicology faculty are diverse. This image depicts the major research foci of the department and includes the list of faculty members involved in each area. You will see that many of our faculty are represented in several different areas. The research foci include major disease classes, several organ systems, environmental toxicology, and drug discovery. Students in our PhD programs can engage in all of these research areas. Students in the Pharmacology and Toxicology PhD program are also provided with several experiential learning opportunities. Our students are required to gain some teaching experience. This can be in the form of classical didactic lectures for our undergraduate minor, or students can become involved with our online master's program. Each year, the Pharmacology and Toxicology PhD program runs a career development workshop that covers a variety of subject areas, including scientific writing, making scientific presentations, and effective mentoring. Our students are also encouraged to seek out internship opportunities on campus or further afield. In recent years, our students have spent time at Merck Pharmaceuticals, Charles River Labs, and Genentech. We also encourage our students to hone their management and leadership skills through service on department committees and through the Pharmacology and Toxicology Graduate Student Organisation. The GSO is involved in science outreach activities in the area, and it also helps coordinate social activities for students and for the department. The students involved in the Pharmacology and Toxicology PhD program are doing very well. Many of our students compete for and gain extramural funding from a variety of sources, including the American Heart Association, the Pharma Foundation, and the NIH. Our students also present their research at several major conferences each year, and several students are the recipients of Young Investigators and Travel Awards for these conferences. Our students also publish their work in leading scientific journals. The publication rates for our students over the last 5 years are shown in the graph on this slide. The students are grouped by their year of graduation, and the y-axis shows the number of publications each student had with their primary mentor. As you can see, every student leaves our programme with at least one publication, and the majority of our students have several, and some have many. A PhD in Pharmacology and Toxicology can take you many places. Since 2008, 53 students have completed their PhDs with us. A little more than half of our graduates remain in academia, in postdoctoral fellowships or as faculty. Many of our students move on to work in the pharmaceutical industry, where they lead research teams, including teams at Pfizer, Genentech, Charles River, and Chinook Therapeutics. 2 of our recent graduates have moved on to work for the Food and Drug Administration. For more information about a PhD in Pharmacology and Toxicology at Michigan State University, please contact our PhD Programme Director, Dr. Karen Leiby, or our Administrative Support Staff member, Jake Weir. Or you can follow us on Facebook at MSU Pharmacology and Toxicology.